Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Playwright's record and playback feature with Java and Maven. By the end of this video, you'll know how to generate automation code automatically without writing every line yourself. Let's get started. First, I've already created a Maven project in Eclipse and added the Playwright dependency to my pom.xml. Before using Playwright for the first time, we need to install the browser binaries. Run the following command in your terminal. mvn exec java-d exec.main class equals com.microsoft.playwright.cli-d exec.args equals quote install quote. This downloads the required browser files. Now let's generate automation code using Playwright's Codegen feature. Run this command nvn exec java-d exec.main class equals com.microsoft.playwright.cli-d exec.args equals quote codegen www.gmail.com quote. A browser window opens automatically and another window appears displaying the generated Java code. Everything I do in the code in real time. Now I'll demonstrate the recording feature. I'll click on the email field. Next, create account. Then click on for my child. Next, I'll click the Let's Go button. Notice how every action is instantly reflected in the generated Java code. This includes locating elements, filling text boxes, and clicking buttons. Playwright automatically chooses smart locators, making the generated code clean and reliable. Note, avoid demonstrating the creation of a real Gmail account. Instead, use the sign-in page with a test email or a demo website to stay within platform policies. Now let's use the generated code. I'll copy the generated script and paste it into a Java class. For example, recording_playback.java. After saving the file, I'll run it as a Java application. Watch the browser. It repeats the exact actions we recorded. This is called Playback, where Playwright executes the recorded steps automatically. Benefits: Record and Playback is a great way to learn Playwright quickly, generate automation scripts faster, understand element locators, build your test cases with less manual coding. And that's how you can use record and playback in Playwright with Java and Maven. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials on Playwright, Selenium, Java and API testing. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.